All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's idiom. So hit the roof. Hit the roof. To become very angry all of a sudden. Yes, angry. There we are. Very good. All of a sudden. Yes, very good. When you read the information, when he read the information, he hit the roof. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Because things have changed, they will hit the roof all of a sudden. Yeah. Yeah. She might hit the roof with this document. When she finds out what happens, she'll hit the roof. Yeah. What happened? She will hit the roof. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, very big. Very important. Suddenly, they just hit the roof when I told them. Yeah, suddenly they hit the roof when I told them the bad news. Hit the roof. Yeah. If you don't phrase it carefully, then they might hit the roof all of a sudden. Yeah. The way you word it carefully, otherwise they'll hit the roof. Yeah. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use the idiom hit the roof in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.